Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is for the playlist Namastey French. We have reached Leçon 2, and this is the second part of Leçon 2. In the first part we have done the French alphabet, l'alphabet en français. If you have not watched that video, do watch it. The link is in the description box below. You can mail me your doubts or even write them down in the comments section below, and I will definitely help you. The email ID is given in the description box as well as at the end of the video. Follow me on Instagram at @saumyagelani dance to watch my dance covers. Let's begin with the second topic of this chapter, and also surprisingly the last topic. Now this is for the class 5 series. Once we end this, we'll begin with the class 6 series. Okay, the most important part, that now from now onwards I will start with a quote, with a French quote. Okay, sorry for that dialog box. So I will begin with a French quote in every video, and hopefully you will like it. So the quote for the day is that bel esprit inspirons les autres, which means beautiful minds inspire others. Now you must have watched the video. If not, then do watch it. I will post one more video for the tenses in the PPT form because that was a little confusing, the previous video. However, it is well explanatory and in a very good manner. Everything has been explained. So if you have still not watched the video for present tense, then you must watch it, and only then you will understand this conjugation of the word inspire, which is an ER ending verb. So bel, here we have ES. Why do we have ES? We have ES because this is feminine and plural, and that is why we have an ES here. Inspirons. So inspirons, because again it is plural. So for if you have watched the video, if not, then I'll just tell you in a very simple way, the simplest possible way, that this can be replaced with this ELLES. Okay, so for the conjugation for this subject pronoun or pronom sujet or subject pronoun is inspirons. Les autres, the others. Moving on to the next slide. Okay, so finally we are beginning with the topic, that is les nombres cardinaux. Alright, so in this video we are not going to do much. We will only learn the counting till number 20, and you can play the video again if you don't understand at once. However, this is a very simple topic, you will understand easily. We'll also do one to two questions at the end, exercise. Okay, so that will help you learn everything, and the exercise has been taken. The questions are almost similar to the ones in the book APPRENONS of Français that most schools have been using for the CBSE education. Okay, the most schools use that book for class 5th or the first year, sometimes class 6. So the first number is 0. Alright, there is an accent here and it's pronounced as zero in French. In English it's 0, in French it's 0. Then the second one is 1. 1 is un. Okay, UN. The third one is 2. 2 in French is the. You must have heard me speaking leçon 1, leçon 2. Since we have only reached leçon 2, so you must have only heard till the. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these. Very easy, right? 0 to 10. I'll repeat the pronunciations once again, and it is very easy. Okay, you first speak the counting from 0 to 5, all right, and then from 6 to 10, and then both of the segments together. You will have the counting learned by heart in just 2 to 3 repetitions. Okay, so beginning again. First of all, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these. Right? Is it clear? I hope the pronunciations are clear. Okay, one last time. Okay, just don't miss the accent, sorry. So one last time I will tell the pronunciations. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, moving on to the next slide. Okay, sorry, this may take a while. Alright, so on the second slide we have 11 to 20, and again it is very simple. For class 5th, like till the second chapter, the counting has been taught only up to 20. Okay, after that you are going to learn later. So beginning with 11. 11 is ons. It's ons. It's not ons. It's not ons. It's ons. There is a slight sound of n. Okay, but it's not ons. It's ons. Okay. The next one is 12. 12. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Please listen to the pronunciations carefully, and only then will you be able to learn them by heart. Again, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, not much, right? Only 20, up to 20, and it's very easy, right? It's very easy to even pronounce and to even learn. Again, the same rule. First learn 11 to 15, and then start from 0 to 15 again. Okay, then learn 16 to 20, then speak from 11 to 20, and then merge everything and speak from 1 to 20 or 0 to 20, right? 0 is very simple, 0. It's like even the pronunciation is same, only this accent grave is added to the E. Everything else is same, and I hope that you have understood till here, right? And this is where we end with the counting. Now we have a few exercises. Okay, so I have not written the question here. I will tell you the question. Alright, so the question is écrivez les chiffres en lettres. That means write the numbers in letters. Okay, so the number in which these substances are present. Okay, substances or things or whatever you may call it. So here we have 3 tomatoes, right? In French it is pronounced as tomate, les tomates or des tomates. Okay, so it is 1, 2 and 3, right? So how many? 3. 3 in French is what? Trois. That is T-R-O-I-S. Trois tomates. The next one is stylo. Stylo is pen. Even if we have an S, we don't pronounce the S. It's stylo. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? 10. 10 in French is what? These. So these stylo. Now you will pronounce the X if there is a vowel here. Right now you have an S, it's not a vowel, so you'll pronounce it as these stylo. Okay, these stylo. If it would have been I will come up with an example soon and I will let you know. Alright, so the next one is chapeau. Chapeau is hats. Okay, if we add an X here, it becomes plural. If we remove the X, then it becomes singular. But since we have the X here, this is I don't know what's happening. Yeah, this is plural. So how many hats do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6, the spelling is same, only the pronunciation is different. Seize, right? Seize. Again, we don't have a vowel. Seize chapeau. Okay, seize. Alright, moving on. So there has to be a bracket here, since you can see that it is singular, right? So this is a cup, yun tas. How many cups? 1 cup. So 1 is what? A or yun. Since it is feminine, so we will use yun. Okay, and we will also remove the s because it is not required, since it's not plural. You are also going to learn the singular and the plural thing in the next video. Yeah, in the upcoming video. Now, how many livres? Livre is a book, right? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 livres, 4 livres. That means 4 books. So there will be an s because it is plural. And 4 in French is what? Quatre. So quatre livres. Okay. I hope this is clear, and it's very simple, so it should be clear. Alright, so removing this and moving on. Now, the last question for today, and a very simple one. This has also been taken from the book Apprenons le Français. Nothing much, it's only basic maths, but the agenda or the objective is not to check your maths. However, in this question I have, but the objective is not to check your maths, it's to see whether you have learned what to call these numbers in French, right? So the first one is very simple. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So in French it is the plus, it's plus, okay? It's not plus, it's plus. The plus 4. The plus 4 égale. Égale means equal to. There has to be an accent again. Égale, this is accent grave, and this one here is accent aigu, okay? But this is not required here. So égale 6. 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Now this is an example, right? And this type of question will come. Écrivez les nombres en lettres. There has to be a space here. En suivant le modèle. Okay, again accent grave. So write the numbers in letters as given in the example. I have already given the translation here as well, right? So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, right? Am I correct? Yes. So that means, what do I have here? 4. Do you want me to type? I can type, right? Because then it will be easier for you to, read. Okay, so beginning, 4 is what? 4 is 4, right? Plus, okay, moving it here. Plus is plus, and then it's 5. 5 in French is 5, right? And then we have égale, and last is 9. So what is 9? 9 is 9, right? So 4 plus 5 égale 9. Also, most important, don't forget the accent. However, this question does not show up in the exam more often, but like this plus and égale won't come, but still I'm telling you about the accent because it's important for you to know. The next one, I would like you to pause the video and try the next two yourself. Okay, this is a little different. I've told the French one and I'm expecting you to tell me the number. Okay, so 17 is what? The set, right? So learn the spellings also. Okay, spellings are equally important, and if your spelling is incorrect you will lose marks. So 17 plus 3 is trois égale, right? Égale. And 20 is what? Try to remember. Yes, you're correct, it's 20. So 17 plus 3 égale 20. Now the next one is different, right? Very different. So 15. What was 15 in number? It was 15. Plus, already mentioned, plus 5. 5 was what? 5 was 5, right? Easy. Égale has already been mentioned. Again, guys, don't forget the accent while you are writing it in the exam. Okay, since it's your first year, they will not reduce, the teachers might be a little lenient and not reduce marks for accent, but if you don't have a habit from today, then it will be very difficult. So now here I have tested your maths. Okay, I have tried to test your maths. So 15 plus 5. What is 15 plus 5? I've left both blanks empty, even the French one and even number 1. So very easy. 15 plus 5 is 20. And 20 in French, again very easy. We just did it in the previous part. It's 20. Okay. Now a little secret here. How does the counting continue after 20? You might be a little, curious to know. So it's 20 hyphen a hyphen a. But only in the first one we have this a. Okay, 21. The second one is 20 the. Okay, and similarly the third one is 23, and it goes on like this. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, 21, 22, 23, and then 30. Okay, so since I feel that everybody is curious or must be curious or should be curious, 30 is 30. Alright, so with this we end our video. Now the most important, the last and very important part of the video has come. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep following the playlist Namastey French. I will be posting videos regularly, and soon we will complete all the chapters. The next one we are going to, in the next video, we are going to begin with lesson 3. We have already finished lesson the. Lesson 3 is les copains, which means friends. It would be good if you have time and if you have the book to read the literature part once. It has only 6 dialogues, 5 to 6 dialogues, and if not, then I'm here. I will discuss the literature part. However, the next video I'm going to be more concerned with the singular to plural conversion of sentences and not the literature part, which will be covered in the next to next video. Okay. Surprisingly, we have finished the complete chapter in just 2 videos. It was very short. Don't forget to comment your views. If you have any doubts, you can leave them in the comment section below, or you can also mail them to me on this email ID. I have shared my personal email ID. Okay, and you can also follow me on Instagram if you're not comfortable in commenting or emailing the doubts. You can also share them with me on Instagram. Follow my Instagram account to watch dance covers, as you can see in the username itself. I'm also on Snapchat, Soumya3008. Don't forget to hit that like button and also hit the bell icon if you like my comments and to stay if you like my video, and to stay tuned. Sorry. Okay, so bye bye. See you in the next video. And yeah, for those of you who have been wondering what is this, so yes, this is Namastey French. This is the French flag, Eiffel Tower, also known as La Tour Eiffel en français. And bye bye, au revoir.